Hey there, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to tackle a common problem that many developers face when working with Spring Boot applications on multiple servers. The issue at hand is that we want to be able to identify the host name of the server making a request to a specific API endpoint. This might seem like a tricky problem at first, but fear not, we have a solution at hand that will help us get the information we need. So, let's delve into the solution. To accurately determine the client's IP address, we can simply use the method codepservletRequest.getRemoteAddress code. This will give us the IP address of the server making the request. However, if you want to go a step further and obtain the host name of the client, you can use codeinitaddress.getByname. http servletRequest.getRemoteAddress.getHostname code. Just keep in mind that this method might throw exceptions that need to be handled properly. In summary, by utilizing the codepservletRequest.getRemoteAddress code method, we can easily retrieve the client's IP address, and with a bit more effort, we can also obtain the hostname. This simple yet effective solution will enable you to validate and track the hostname of servers interacting with your API. Thanks for tuning in today. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment below with your favorite programming joke. Happy coding, and see you next time.